Hi everyone and welcome back to CADReader Tutorial Series. In Lesson 25, we'll introduce the Tabulate with Search Text feature in CADReader. Let's get started. In the previous two lessons, we explored different ways to perform data statistics in CADReader. Today we'll learn how to use the search text function to quickly count objects such as doors, windows, columns, and more. First, open a drawing in CADReader. In this example, we want to find all doors labeled D4. Click the Find button in the toolbar, enter D4 and choose Entire Drawing as the search range. You can also limit the search to a specific area if needed, such as rectangular region or an irregularly shaped area. After setting the search range, click Find again. CADReader will instantly display all matching results. As you can see, there are 8 doors labeled D4 in this drawing. You can click each result to quickly locate the corresponding object within the drawing. After confirming the search results, you can export the data directly to Excel. Once the Excel file is saved and opened, you can continue organizing the data and perform categorized statistics more efficiently. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.